So now, let's think about another example like a roller coaster or a loop-de-loop. So watch this.
The Toyota Aygo Steve had chosen for the stunt had been heavily modified to make it strong enough and hopefully safe enough should things go wrong.
There we go, this is it. This is it, oh, we're going too fast. Here we go.
Okay, so the key with that though is that it needs enough speed, right? Because it needs enough centripetal force to overcome that gravity. So now, as I pointed this out to a couple of people before as Khan Academy, if you're not really satisfied or are still confused by how I'm explaining something, Khan Academy is a really good option to go. They have pretty much examples on everything. So they take this car and explain it and go through the math, physics part of it. So it's called the Loop-de-Loo answer part 1. So you just go to Khan Academy and you can search in, like how I found this as I just went Khan Academy vertical circles. And this is what I got. It's totally exactly what our lesson is about. Okay? So you can kind of go to these other resources to help you out. He explains it really slowly. You can pause, speed up, etc. So you can use that as a resource. Anyways, so let's, where did I put my, so on the back of your sheet, I want you to write down loop-de-loo. Or like, this is a roller coaster. So, if I had a roller coaster, and at the top, so say my car or like the car of a roller coaster is at the top of the roller coaster, I have both Fn and Fg going down. So Fn and Fg are both going down because Fn is perpendicular to the surface that it's on. So this is Fn, and we have Fg. So this formula for examples like this, Fc is equal to Fn plus Fg. Just like before. Now if it's on the bottom, so say the car is on the bottom, Fn is perpendicular and Fg is down. So very similar to our other examples. So Fc then is Fn minus Fg, because anything that is going away from the center of the circle is negative. And then I just want to make one note here. So, to find minimum speed needed at the top, you set Fn equal to 0 because you are trying to see how much Fc is needed to equal / overcome EFG so that the car doesn't fall. So I'm just giving you some of these background kind of tips so that when you get to these questions, you have a few tools that you know how to interpret it. Okay, so now we can move on to an example. So you can turn your sheet to example number 1.